time to eat. I'm very hungry. I don't know what I'm gonna cook. I'm thinking eggs because I need to use them by today. Probably eggs and ooh. I don't know. Sometimes I just throw things together. Maybe I'll make an omelet. Yes. Omelet. Omelet, yes. I don't know. Nigel's gonna eat his dinner and then we're gonna go for a walk on this trail at this park. I really like Boulder. Like, I really like Boulder. It's really beautiful. I like it better than Denver just because it's more scenic. There are more mountains everywhere and I love that. Now it is time to cook dinner. But before I can cook dinner, I need to clean this place up because it is messy, as I'm sure you have noticed. So that first. I've been breaking these clothespins like literally one a day. I don't even know how. I just So funny story about Miranda Lambert. So I grew up on country music, kind of stopped listening to it, I don't know, when I was like a teenager. And then in high school, my senior year, I started listening to Miranda Lambert and I was obsessed with her. And she was coming to Florida and I didn't have anyone that could go with me at the time. So I bought a ticket and I was gonna go myself. I was so excited and so ready for this. And the night before, I was talking to my mom in the kitchen and I just pulled out the cookie dough and started eating a crap ton of cookie dough. I was not healthy at all back then. And the cookie dough made me really sick. I woke up in the middle of the night and started just puking all night. And my mom would come in every couple hours. She would be like, ask me if I'm okay. And I would be like, yes. And I know I'm gonna like feel better by the time the concert happens tomorrow. I know I'm gonna go. So the concert was the next night. So all day and all night I was puking. And I just knew that I was gonna go to this concert. I knew that I was gonna feel better by the time the concert rolled around. But I didn't. And I was just still puking by the time the concert happened. So I never got to see her. If I get the chance to see her again, I absolutely will. I've had chances, I'm sure. I'm sure she's been on tour since then. That was like 10 years ago almost. I kind of just reignited my love for her when I was driving through Oklahoma because that's where she's from. So, there's a unicyclist out there. Anyway, that was my little fun story. Back to cleaning. This is my grandma's song, Bluebird by Miranda Lambert.
Under the live oak, my favorite dog is buried in the yard. Thought if I could touch this place, I'll feel it. And if I'm right, we're headed straight for love. I'm going home, rolling on my shotgun. I'm gonna show you what a little love made of.
Danielle and I have been doing golf, and Dia.
Nice.
But anyway, I only bought like the new like they're getting all these like sports teams and stuff.
Haven't slept in a week.
It is 10:15 and we already had breakfast. I already did some work for the day. I have more to do later, but for right now, before it gets too hot, Nigel and I are going to go on a little trail walk, which is right beside where I parked last night. So we're gonna go do that for, I don't know, half an hour to an hour, and then come back and carry on with the day. So see you on the trail.
Small town with no one stranger, but I'm the one brand new. Met all of my neighbors, but just remember you. Oh, that with the phone in your left hand. Look me up and down and then you said, who are you? In the back of the car we at the party when you took me by the hand. In front of the prom king, I could hardly know my name or who I am. Leaving me so alone. Till you don't know where to go, running in circles till it's 'cause I know I just can't beat you. You're something special, but damn it's stressful, 'cause you keep sending sign after sign, but I can't beat you. You hit my mention, then leave me guessing. Yeah, you keep sending sign after sign, oh yeah. And you beg me to go dancing, so don't wait, just meet me there. And I waited out in line. I probably should've stayed away, but I can't when you say one more time. In the back of the car
So we found a coffee shop. It's called Amonte Coffee or something like that. So I'll see you in there. It's 10:30 at night and I'm very tired, but I have been forgetting to make my overnight oats for literally like 4 days, so I'm gonna do that right now and then go to bed.
Need a food folder?
Hey, do y'all have outlets and Wi-Fi in there or no?
No, I don't. I think we might have one table with an outlet, but you can use AT&T's Wi-Fi next door. That's free.
Oh, sweet. Okay, cool. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay, bye. Cool, dude. We'll try.
Broke her neck, staring out at California. It held everything she wanted in this life. Cassette tapes in the deck, so tired of living in slow motion. The answer's always short, 1,000 miles. Well, I know one thing, girls ain't tied away. If you try to lock her down, she'll take the fire escape. She said, please send pictures of home, 'cause I was born for life on the road. There ain't no part of me that's alone, and every right thing just feels so wrong. Says, Mr. Johnston, sir, how do you like your coffee? I'm gonna own this building someday.